Whenever you're solving an absolute value equation, what you need to do first is get the absolute value part all by itself. So if you're multiplying a 3 to it and adding an 8 to it, you get rid of them like you would for a normal two-step equation. So what I'm going to do first is subtract 8 from both sides, cross you out. So now I have 3 times the absolute value of negative 8x equals 72. Now I still have to get rid of that 3 that's lingering out in front. And the way we do that, since it's being multiplied, is we divide both sides. So now we have the absolute value of negative 8x equals 24. Okay, now that we have the absolute value all by itself, we split it up into two equations. Whenever you have absolute value of stuff equals two equations, or equals a number, you write out your left side for both left sides. So just get rid of the absolute value and rewrite negative 8x. Write out the original right side and the opposite of the right side. Now you solve each equation the way you normally would. Divide by negative 8. Divide by negative 8, x equals negative 4. And then divide by negative 8, divide by negative 8, x equals positive 4. You go back, you plug things in, make sure they both work. Trust me, they will both work. I mean, if I were to do 8 times negative 4, that would be positive 24. The absolute value of positive 24 is 24 times 3 is 72 plus 8 is 80. And if you were to plug in regular 4, the absolute value would make negative 24 positive, and the same exact thing will happen. So we have two correct answers, x equals negative 4 and x equals positive 4, and we're done.